Have you been wondering how to change or adjust the tambour hook? In my current work, I'm experimenting with glass and textiles using the tambour hook. Let me show you how to change or adjust one. Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Ujuobi from ujuobi.com. I'm an award-winning artist and designer. You're in the right place if you love learning about the creative process. Okay, are you ready? Let's go. The tambour needle comes in two parts. First, you have the holder, and then you have the needle or the hook. To change or adjust the needle or hook, you unscrew this tiny screw on the side and then just lift the needle out. To replace or adjust the needle, reinsert it into the holder, making sure that the hook is facing the screw, and then you tighten the screw. And the reason you have the hook facing the screw is that when the hook or needle is underneath the fabric, the screw acts as a guide, showing you what direction the hook is facing. Thanks again for watching. And if you like this video, please subscribe and click the bell icon so you're the first to know when I upload something new.